Do subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to not miss an update. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Select a place which is dry, away from water drains and has plain surface. Open the bag and pull out the tent's footprint. Put the base on the ground and hook in all the pegs in the ground. Make sure to firmly hook with the ground. Take out the poles and put them diagonally on the tent to give roofing to your tent. Firmly attach the poles to the inner of the tents. Then, pull out the outer of the tent and put it over to get wind and water protection. Hook the outer tent firmly to the ground for drainage of water and get a good shape of the tent. Once you are done, make sure to open the vents for air ventilation and enjoy your camping in the nature. Do subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to not miss an update. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.